No, for sure.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you something for seafarers. So if you work on a cruise ship and you pass by Qatar, you have your flight the next day and you need somewhere to stay, to eat for free, there's a place for crew members. They call it Mariner Lounge. So this is the place I'm gonna show you. Come, this is the place here, Mariner Lounge. So I'm here in Doha. I'm here in Doha. So I'm just gonna show you around. Yes, I'm gonna show you around. So when you come, see if you see this yellow thing, and if you see this one, okay, and then you know that you are closer to the Mariner Lounge. So Mariner Lounge is on the right side. You see this one. So I'm gonna go inside and show you what is inside. Okay, so let's go. Right. So this is the place so that when you come, you don't forget. So this is the place. Okay. All right. So from this side, you turn on your right side. It says Mariner Lounge, so don't get confused. Okay. So on the left side there is an elevator. So the Mariner Lounge is on the second floor. So you take the elevator to the second floor. So we go now. Okay, let's go. Like this. Second floor. Okay, so once you are on the second floor, you see this one where it says Mariner Lounge. So when you come here, you need to show them your tickets. So I was here before, so they put a stamp already, so I don't need to show them the ticket. I'll just go straight here. But when you come, you need to go to the counter first, then you go this side. Alright, so this is it guys, this is the lounge. So all the crew members will come here and stay here, maybe sometimes overnight here, or if you have like 2 hours stay or 1 hour stay, you come and stay at this place. The food is free, so I'm gonna just showing you around and show you also the type of food we have. So this is the place. The food is free. You come, you eat for free. It's for crew members, all the seafarers. So I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna take some food to eat. Alright. You get drinks, you get beer, you get food. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick something to eat. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get this one. Let's do it enough. You can eat anything you want from here. Just gonna put this down and come back. I'm going to sit here with my friend from Zimbabwe next time. I need some wine. Hello, can I get some wine?
Some?
Wine? From here. So this is what I'm eating now. So I ate before, so I'm not gonna eat a lot. I just take a wine here and some food. Alright, so you can eat this for free as long as you are seafarer. So like on a cruise ship, you come here, you stay, you can sleep here, you can sleep this couch, you can sleep here, you don't need to go to the hotel. You can sleep here or you can sleep anytime. So I'm gonna just start to eat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.